Thank you for being here. Coming into a comfortable seat that is upright and has a balance of some ease in the physical body. We'll start today with some grounding and coming into the present moment, connecting to the anchors of the body and the breath. And then we'll open that up into awareness of emotions. Closing down your eyes if you're comfortable with that. Just feeling the body starting to settle into your position. Maybe taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling it out the mouth. Just letting it go. Take as many of those as you feel like will be helpful. Releasing, settling. So here the body starts to settle in, feeling the body, making contact with what you're sitting on. Intentionally taking our awareness here and moving it into the body, feeling the pressure of the body sitting, maybe feeling the temperature of the air on your skin. Feeling your hands and what they're touching. Feeling your feet and what they're touching. Feeling the weight of your body and how it is being supported by the earth, supported by what you're sitting on, and supported by any props that you're using, any support, any padding. And start to notice the movement of the body from the body breathing. So just starting to notice, maybe it's a subtle movement that the body makes as you breathe in and out your nose here. Feeling the gentle rise and fall of the chest and belly. Settling into the rhythm of your breath. Our intention here is to be in the present moment. feeling the body sitting grounded, feeling the body breathing, and aware of the breath as it comes in and out of the nose. Those are two anchors that we can use to bring us back into the present moment. And adding some gentleness, some kindness into our practice here by knowing and understanding that our mind is going to wander from the present moment, and that is a normal process of our meditation practice. And part of our practice is to recognize that the mind is no longer connected to our anchors or has wandered off into thought, and to just bring it back to an anchor. We're sitting, we know we're sitting, we feel the body sitting. Our awareness knows that we're sitting. We're breathing. We know we're breathing. And we have awareness of the breath and the body breathing. And now starting to expand our awareness to include any emotions that arise here. Just simply noticing any emotions that may be present in this moment. Are you feeling calm, restless, tired, joyful? Or perhaps there's no strong emotion at all, maybe just a sense of stillness, and you can just simply acknowledge that. And when an emotion does come into your awareness, you can name it in your mind. This is contentment, or this is uncertainty, or this is frustration, or this is stillness. We're not judging it or analyzing it, just allowing it and naming what's here. And watching that emotion pass. So we are aware when it comes into our awareness, and we watch it float through the awareness like a cloud floating across the sky. And when that emotion passes and is gone, you can come back to the body sitting, back to the body breathing, until the next emotion arises in your awareness. We're sitting, we know we're sitting. We're breathing, we know we're breathing. And we sit with an open awareness and acknowledge any emotions that arise in this moment, simply naming them and watching them pass. And we hold all of this with kindness. We are practicing as best we can with a loving presence. And maybe exploring the emotions that arise a little more closely. When you find an emotion has come into your awareness, you can see if there are any sensations in the physical body that you can feel. Maybe there's heaviness in the chest, or a lightness in the belly, or warmth or tingling in the hands. Just notice if you feel anything. Maybe it's a feeling of expanding or contracting. And notice if a story starts to develop in the mind from the emotion. Just being aware and coming back to the body, back to the breath, holding it gently, letting it pass. We're not trying to have any specific emotions. We're not trying to change how we feel. Simply allowing what is here to be here. Maybe saying to yourself, this is a moment of emotion, and it's okay to feel this. I can meet this feeling with kindness, knowing that my emotions are always changing, and that this feeling is not final. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feeling the weight of your body, noticing your breath as it comes and goes in and out of the body. This practice helps us to better understand our emotions and how they are ever changing, always passing. Here we start to gain the wisdom that we have the ability to be with more and more emotions, being with them and being in the body and being with the breath rather than being carried away by them. Feeling the body sitting, feeling the feet and what they're touching, feeling your hands and what they're touching. Bringing in some fuller, deeper breaths. Feeling those breaths, noticing how you feel here, how the body feels, the physical body and the emotional body. Opening your eyes when you're ready, fully coming back into your space. And I thank you for your practice.